today we're going to the beach with the cousins, and we are so excited. So we typically always pack a picnic lunch, so it makes it really easy and something to look forward to when we get on the beach. So Tori is making all the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and I'm gonna make the turkey sandwiches, and then we are gonna be heading out. Coulter, are you ready to go to the beach?
Yes.
Are you excited? You already look like a beach boy.
Yeah.
Can you open it up, because we have to put our sandwiches in there. Whoa! Better be careful.
So I do it this side and you do it that side.
Yes, sir. Looks like a great lunch.
Yeah, it does.
We always pack way too much. Yeah, pumpkin muffins. It'd be good. So delicious. Peanut butter sandwiches. It's probably good. So Chad, we're ready to go. Evie,
Awesome.
you ready to go, honey?
Excited? We got
Everybody go,
Cammy.
please.
She's ready to go. Let's go. All right. Hop on there. Tally ho. Is it shut? Let's go.
Going to the beach. Going to the beach. So fun. Evie Webby, go. You got it? Made it to the beach. Not too long of a drive. So now we're just adding all of our sunscreen. It's ready to go to the beach. You ready, Bricky Cookie? Evie? Chad's ready. He's got our pool for the babies.
Give 'em a shade. Oh, this is the pool. That's right. We come prepared.
Hi, Cammy Lane.
On the beach.
Hi. Look how pretty it is. Ricky and Charlotte have a pool. How'd you bury yourself?
I buried it all by myself.
And that's your legs? Your legs are under there? It's all hidden. All your legs are hidden. Just your hands. Lunchtime. It's a perfect little setup for 100 children. Charlotte, are you and Holly having fun on the beach? It's so fun. We want to treasure every moment that we get to spend with family, especially now that we're in Florida and so far from everyone. It was just such a gift to have our best friends come in town for the week, and the cousins got to play together and enjoy the beach. I guess we didn't realize that 9 kids under 8 is a little bit of maybe a workout on the beach, watching them all and making sure they're all safe. But it was, I think, a memory that we will keep forever. It was wonderful, and we're so grateful for the time we had with Bobby and Tori, and the cousins got to spend together. Hey, what y'all doing? How much fun is that? Just trying to catch a last wave. There we go, all the way in, boy. Perfect timing. Guys, we gotta load up. Come on. Come on, it's time to go home. I know, nobody wants to. So, what did y'all think about going to the beach with the cousins? Wasn't that so much fun? Carson, what did you get to do for the first time? Yes.
The boogie board, yeah.
You got to do the boogie board.
And those are some really big waves.
Yes, it was. And Evie, what did you do with Cade? I saw you do
Started flying out with
Yeah, I know.
like Carson.
That was fun. And you picked up a whole bag of shells, didn't you? Oh, I think they're inside.
They're up in there. I saved
Dad
them
has
for
to
you.
unpack them.
Did you forget
Holly,
about them?
who did you play with the whole time?
Yeah, I don't know what to look at.
I'll find it for
Who
I
was
know
your
what they
friend
look
all
like.
day that you played with?
One is long.
Did you play with
One
Charlotte?
is like this. Like
We had
this.
so much fun at the beach. I think it was was that one of the funnest times we've ever been? It probably was, since the cousins were there.
you. I think so.
That we
And Finny got over her fear of the
And she found a
of the
bird.
waves. Yep. You found a bird, friend.
That you followed.
You followed a bird.
You love a birdie, don't you?
That was a lot of fun with those big angry waves, and then
was
it calmed
amazing.
down. So.
It was just magical. I wish we could talk them into moving here because we all just love each other so much. They've been such a gift
Go get
in
it.
friendship. So hopefully
We
we get
miss
to
them.
do it again. Why don't we let Cookie do it?
Rookie.
Kiki, why don't you say so? Thank you for joining us for a day at the beach. See it in front of all of us. Yep.
Thank you for coming with us to the beach.
Yeah. See you
Say
guys.
goodbye. Say bye.
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 Bye. There we go. Good job, Brookie. That was
That was
good.
really good.
Bye.